Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. And if you're new and you're watching this video for the first time seeing this family, get subscribed. My Crazy Big Black Family right on YouTube. Happy Thursday, guys. Today I'm out on an early morning run. I gotta go to the store, pick up a couple of things that needs to be picked up to start off my day. And I have to make me a coffee run because I don't have no freaking coffee, so I'm gonna have to make me a coffee run as well. So I'll probably stop at Dunkin's and get me a coffee. But right now I'm about to go in the store, my local supermarket, and pick up a couple of items because I need them for the kids for school. We need milk, we need some more cereal, so I'm about to do that. And stay tuned. So I'm going in my local supermarket, guys. I don't really go in here that much. This is Shaw's because they're kind of expensive, but they're the only stores open this early in the morning, so I'm going here first. So guys, now I'm gonna put my cart back, because that's what I do. Now, I'm gonna have to go back to the house, wake my daughter up for school. First, I'm gonna make me a quick little Dunkin' run, because I need that. I need that break of dawn early morning kick, which is my caffeine. Stay tuned. This is a morning routine vlog with My Crazy Big Black Family, Mom's Life. So now I'm about to pull into one of our resident Dunkins. We got two within not even a mile of each other. And as you already know, Dunkin's got a little line. Let's take a gander. So this is the line. I'm looking at least 5 cars in front of me. But when you have to have your, because like it says, Massachusetts, we run on Dunkin's. We do. We really do run on Dunkin's. Stay tuned.
Good morning, can I help you?
Hi, good morning. Can I have cream and sugar with that light on the cream, please?
Okay. The 3 sugar?
Yes, that's fine. And just a little bit of cream, not a lot of cream.
So 2 cream and 3 sugar?
Yes, that's fine. And a hot coffee, please.
And then what else?
No, that's a hot coffee.
So I have coffee, 2 cream, 3 sugar. Is that correct?
Yep, exactly.
Okay, anything else?
And a plain donut, please.
And a plain donut. Do you like anything else?
No, thank you. Have a good one.
Oh, you too. Have a good day.
Thank you.
David.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry guys if my hair looks a little perturbed. Got it back in a nice little morning ponytail. And like I said, I'm out Mom's life, so as long as my hair is looking nice and neat, face clean, proper hygienic, I'm good. Stay tuned. Now guys, I'm headed back to my house and I'm about to get my oldest daughter up for school because she has school today. So I'm gonna do the whole little morning vibe thing that I do because my kids take a shower every day before school, so she gotta have to get her up, make sure she gets in the shower. Well, I don't have to make sure because that's what she does for me. She comes downstairs, she eats breakfast, goes in the bathroom, brush her teeth, and takes a shower. I know that some people might be like, well, why don't you? Yes, a lot of people take their showers at night, but I make my kids take a shower in the morning because you sweat at night, you sleep on, you know, it happens. So I want them to be fresh with a nice fresh shower. So stay tuned. Alisa, let's go. Up, up, up. Come eat breakfast. Let's go in the shower. 6:40. So, because everybody's still asleep, I gotta unload the cart myself. But no offense, I'm used to stuff like that. It's what makes me strong. So, I'm gonna go ahead and unload the groceries. I can bring up 2 at a time. It's nothing for me. So I'm gonna bring these up. And I'll be back. I'm going down in the basement. So I'm checking my clothes. They still, I'm gonna go ahead and start the dryer back. I'll rinse my clothes that's in the washing machine because I just put a load in. Now I'm gonna rinse them. And that's it. Chloe, let's go. You forgot I have clothes down here for you, brand new in the back?